right, the time is now, guys. Case or no case time. Joining me now, the handsome fellow, the very intelligent, the very wise, Lou Cairo from GWC Law. And today we got 3 cases that we're going to determine if they are a case or if they are not a case. Lou, does that sound good to you?
Sounds great. Let's do it.
All right, let's do it. So, Lou, we're going to be putting Felicia and Carly to the test to see who can guess the answers right. Do you have faith in these two?
Pardon me?
Do you have faith in these two to get these right?
Well, I know they look beautiful, so I don't care if they're smart. I know they're smart.
Yes,
well,
right?
The smart is a bonus. Bonus.
Okay, so the first one we have here, Lou, is a dog attacks another dog. Can you elaborate on this case?
Sure, and these types of things happen. You know, go to a pet store. Some pet stores allow people to bring their dogs in. They're shopping around, and you have a small dog with a woman, and you have a larger dog with another woman. And for what, the dogs, they sniff each other, they interact a little bit, and the smaller dog gets bitten bad by the big dog for no reason. And the woman intervene, and the woman who owns the smaller dog gets hurt badly. So she wants to bring a claim against the pet store because one of the other patrons' dog bit her and bit her dog, and the little dog needed veterinary services, she needed medical services. So the question is, case or no case against the pet store?
Case or no case?
Going after the money, huh? Okay.
Felicia says no case.
I'm saying no case because I would think it would be the owner's responsibility. What do you think, Lou?
I told you beauty is in the eye of the brain. You got both have them.
Yeah! Should we high five with our paddles? Yes.
Why is this no case?
Well, because the Illinois Animal Control Act says anyone who owns and harbors and controls a dog can be liable. So if you're watching my dog, you can be liable if somebody gets bitten.
Oh,
but
wow.
if you're on my property and it's your dog and you have your dog and he bites somebody, the fact that you're on my property, whether it's me, Lou Cairo, or the owner of a pet store, I'm not liable.
Yeah, it's your property. All right, that's good to know. Okay, so how about this next one? It's more futuristic. Driverless cars, this one
It's not futuristic. It's happening in Arizona and California. They actually have them. So here's the scenario.
Okay.
Driverless car, all run by the computers, right? And the owner's literally sitting in the back seat like he's being chauffeured by his driverless car.
That sounds amazing.
The car causes an accident because there's a computer malfunction. The parties in the other vehicle sue the guy driving the car, well, I say the guy sitting in the back seat of the car, who is in the driverless car, and the guy says, hey, don't sue me, sue the manufacturer. There's a computer glitch. That's what caused it. You can't sue me. So the question is, case or no case against the owner of the car sitting in the back seat?
Oh, this is a hard one.
All right, what do you think? Case or no case?
I'm going to say case.
I think it could go either way
here.
because did the owner of the driverless car do proper maintenance and updates? Did he upgrade his operating system?
I was going to say
I got
the same
questions.
thing. It's
Okay, well,
the
I can tell you
responsibility of the owner, right?
I can tell you one of you is right.
Who it is?
And it's Carly. Here's the reason. Here's the reason why. You're 100% right. The owner still has have responsibility.
Okay.
But here's the thing. Can the owner simply say, I'm going to sit in the back seat and ignore my responsibility to sit behind the wheel? No. There's a case against the manufacturer, there's a case against the software company, but the question was, did you have a case against the owner? And you still, even though it's a driverless car, you can sit there and read your newspaper, but you have to be behind the wheel. So in the event of some type of a malfunction with the computer, you can take control of the wheel.
Do we need to change the laws? Is that what's next? The laws haven't caught up with driverless cars?
That's just the law. We haven't caught up with technology because we don't have those yet in Illinois. Let's hope we never get them. I want to see somebody behind the wheel.
It makes me nervous to have one.
The grand finale, the Cairo climax. Here we go. The final case is about a sign posted at an open house.
Okay, this actually happens quite frequently. Open house for a broker showing in someone's new residence, right? And there's a sign there, shoes off, please. And they give you little booties to put in your shoes, or you have to take your shoes off. So a woman takes her shoes off. She's going up the stairs and really cuts her foot badly on a protruding nail because the realtor, to make the house look prettier, pulled the carpet runner off the stairs. And there's beautiful hardwood floors. So she cuts herself really bad. Sues the owner of the house, saying you had an unsafe condition on your premises, and the owner says, I was in Florida, I wasn't even in town. And it's your house, you're liable. Case or case against the owner of the house.
Think it over.
I don't need to think. I know who I'm suing.
Yeah.
And for the grand finale, you're both wrong.
I celebrated too.
The mere fact that you own a piece of property doesn't mean you're liable. You still have to have some responsibility. You have to have done something to cause or know that there's an unsafe condition. What did I say? The realtor pulled the carpet runner off, and of course there was a nail underneath. It's not the owner's fault. The owner didn't do that. The owner wasn't there. The owner wasn't in control. They were out of town. You have to bring the claim in that situation against the realtor.
Is there something you sign when you have a realtor show your house that says, like, this is your responsibility now?
Honestly, I haven't. I couldn't even answer the question. That would be a really smart thing for realtors to do and homeowners.
Yeah.
Ladies, one more for you. If I made the argument that Lou is the best dressed lawyer in the town, in the city of Chicago,
Case.
Felicia?
Wait, argument that he is or is
She's
not?
Just say there's
She's
no
blowing
argument.
this, so that's a
Come on,
case.
please.
No, she messed it up.
Wait, but there's no case that he's not.
Oh, there you
There's
go.
a case
Double
that he
negative.
is.
See,
We're both
you
right.
gotta be careful what you say.
Lou, I'm leaving this.
Gotcha.
We're done. Lou, thank you so much for joining us.
My
As always,
pleasure.
great having you in here. And for more information and Lou's expertise, just head to GWC.com. That's GWC.com, everybody.